Hello everybody. Today I want to go through some more tutorials in Solidworks. So today I want to show you how to use relations and mirroring entities as well as linear and circular patterns. So first we're going to start off with a plane and we're going to sketch a square. Well, first actually we're going to make it a rectangle. We're going to use features, smart dimension. We're going to use smart dimension to set the width to, let's do 150 millimeters. Awesome. And now let's add a relation. So first one's going to be this one. It's going to be line 3 and line 2. And we're going to set equal. So now, whenever you change one of the sides, which is that, let's do this one because we've set this one. Let's do 50 millimeters. Whenever you change one side, the other side's going to stay the same. So it's always going to be a square. Okay, now let's go to features, extrude base. Let's make kind of a flat plate. All right, and now I want 4 holes, 1 in each corner. So first, let's go to sketch, go to midpoint line, which is really helpful for finding the center of things. So you notice a little dot comes up right here. So you know that's the midpoint. Draw that line there, hit escape to stop using the tool. We're gonna do it one more time on this side. All right, now, first I'm going to show you a way that may seem easier at first to make my circles that I want, the holes that I want to make. This may seem the simplest way, but you'll see later why it's not really the most straightforward way. All right, so we're gonna go 135 degrees and we'll do a smart dimension. Let's do 9 millimeters even. All right, so that's 9 millimeters, 135 degrees. And now we can do that for here too, or 45 on this side. And again, smart dimension. Nine millimeters. All right, I'm not going to do the other two. You'll see why later. But let's just do these two for now. You can see that they're all in line. So click there for your center of your circle. Just make our radius. Smart dimension, set the diameter to 9 millimeters. Okay, and we're going to do the same on this side. Smart dimension, 9 millimeters. All right, but let's say you want to change one of them. Okay, so let's change the diameter. We're going to be a smaller hole, 5 millimeters. Okay, cool, but this one didn't change. And now if you had holes in all 4, you're going to have to change all of them individually. So instead what you can do, this time we want to do it smarter. We're going to create our circle. Set to 9 millimeters. And now we're going to select this object, not with smart dimension on, sorry. We're going to select this object and we're going to click mirror entities. So entities mirror arc, so that's what we have selected, and then mirror about this line. And so now we'll have it on the other side. So this time, if we decide to go change the diameter to 5 millimeters, both of them change at the same time. So this way you can be much more efficient, especially if you're working on a very complicated project. You want to define relations, you want to mirror things. It'll make your life so much easier. And we're going to send these across to the other side as well. So we're going to select both of these, holding Control, and we're going to click Mirror Entities, arc 1 and 2, mirror about this end. And now we have four circles and now we want to make them holes. So say this is a plate and we're making holes for screws to go down. Go to Features, Extrude Cut, and then select your 4 circles, and we already have it the correct depth. Click check, and now we have our 4 holes in our plate. So that's one of the great advantages to mirroring objects and setting relations. So it allows you to be much more precise, much more efficient in your work. There's also other kind of patterns that you can do. All right, so this time I want to show you how to do some holes in different areas. So we're going to go into this object. I want to show you how to do the linear pattern. So we have our circle, and we're going to do linear sketch pattern. And so you can choose which direction you want. You can choose the number of instances. You can change the spacing. And so you can have your linear pattern if you're going to have something in a row and you want them evenly spaced. And then you could also just mirror it. You can also do a circular sketch pattern. Let's take a line to help us out. Go 45 degrees, 135 degrees, same thing. We've got our circle. And now we want to have them going around the center point. So we go circular sketch pattern, and you can see we have 4 instances, and then you can change the spacing and the angles and things like that. We're just going to check that box, and now we have our 4. So that's another way you could actually put these 4 in the corners, is by using circular patterns. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you want me to go over any other features, and like this video if you found it helpful, and recommend it to a friend if you think someone else will find it helpful as well.